What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Mana for the Soul. I'm Nilam.
I'm Ronica.
And I'm Amira.
And today we are making carrot fluff.
It's one of our faves and it's a way healthier option than yams.
Yeah, so if you've had candy yams before, this is what you want to try out.
Let's get into it.
Okay, we have our carrots, of course. We have sweet condensed milk, 1 egg, brown sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and about 1/4 of butter.
All right, so now we're gonna get to chopping and then we'll show you the next process.
So we already had our carrots peeled. We're roughly chopping them because they're gonna go into the, we're gonna be boiling them, right?
Yeah, we already have our water about to boil.
Yeah, and roughly chopping them, peeled, cut off the ends, and just put them in. So while that's going on, I did have a question. So what is a life skill that you would say you would love to actually master? So I'll go first. I practice Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. My husband does, my family does. We all do this. Currently, I'm a blue belt. Love it. I absolutely, it has so many life lessons that you learn that, you know, with being humble, teamwork, just learning. It's a journey, but I would really love to stay on that journey and continue and master to get to a black belt.
Yeah, definitely would love to master like some type of martial arts, like, and I would love to be one of those like crazy survivalist people. Like I would love, and when I say crazy, I don't mean like crazy good at it, like where I want to be able to just like be out there and build a fire or know how to make shelter, or you know, like I just feel like that would be bomb.
That's needed. That's like a life skill you need.
I would love to just know how to do those random like hack survivalist stuff.
I love that.
I would want to know how to do a backflip and like
All right, so now we're gonna get these in the water, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Get them boiling.
All right, let's do it. So our carrots just got done boiling. We made sure they're fork tender. We strained them, and we put them in here, and now we're gonna mix all our ingredients.
All right, so our carrots can go in, then our sugar, which we're gonna need more. Some butter. Yeah, we need to put more now. Then we're gonna add our cinnamon. Yeah, all of it.
Okay, 1 teaspoon.
And then our nutmeg. And our vanilla.
That looks really good. I can smell it.
Yeah, just make sure it's all coated. And that's how I be trying to see if it's seasoned enough, is by the smell of it. Like, does it smell sweet enough? Because it's carrots, you know? Sweet potato is already like sweet low-key, and this isn't. All right, and then we should do that.
Okay.
Let's start with half. Nilam doesn't like her carrot fluff mushy, so I started making it with less of the sweet condensed cream. But these are bigger carrots, so.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Looks amazing.
I feel like I could just eat it like that.
I have before.
Okay, so I'll just try to get like a small piece.
Yeah, we could add our egg and then we could blend it.
And we're adding this egg just to kind of help it bind. Oops, there you go. I would recommend when you're tasting it, taste it before they put the egg in.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna pour our carrots into our blender, and we're gonna blend it like in thirds because we don't have a super big blender. You wanna get a good amount of carrots and a good amount of juice.
We're gonna pour it in.
Yeah, the color is actually really beautiful.
Yeah, this looks great.
Yeah, you smell it?
Yes. It's better to use like a longer pan so that it's a thinner layer when it bakes instead of like a
thick layer.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this in the oven on
400,
for how long?
like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. When I started
her.
making it for her,
Yeah.
I would make it stiffer and cook it longer because she likes everything well done.
Yeah.
And it's better that way,
It
to be
is.
honest.
Superb that way.
Yeah.
Personally, we're gonna kind of like overcook it a little bit and you're just gonna look for that nice like
Crisp on the top.
Yeah, crispy brownish, whatever. So let's get into it. All right, carrot fluff is ready.
That looks delicious.
No, this is like the type of well done that I prefer. You can have it like, you know, less than this. All is good, but not to me. But that's not true because this fire, people don't eat it this well done.
Yeah.
Like the normal is like softer, right?
Yeah, but when you cut inside of it, it's still soft on the,
Right.
the inside.
So let's do that.
Oh, wow. I'm so excited.
Yes.
Look at that.
So this is carrot fluff. I feel like it's comparable to yams.
Yeah, absolutely. It's comparable to yams. It's
I'm
just
really
like
happy
yam.
right now. Okay.
So yeah, let's taste it.
Yeah, this is the right consistency.
Oh, this is perfect. I'm sorry.
Amir, right?
Cheers.
I see the smoke, so I don't want to blow in my mouth too much.
Mmm. Perfect sweetness. Nutmeg. Cinnamon.
Oh, perfect.
I actually taste the
Really
condensed
happy.
milk, the creaminess. The texture is perfect.
This is one of Nilam's favorites.
It's fluffy.
No, I really feel like people should crisp it as long as they can because it's still soft and fluffy on the inside.
Yeah.
So it's just
so
like,
the top is like a perfect. Oh, like a sweet potato pie.
Yeah.
You know how the sweet potato pie
Yeah.
is firm on top, and then
Yeah.
when you cut into it,
Yes.
it's soft.
This is great.
that's it.
So you guys make sure you like.
Comment.
And subscribe.
And if you make it, make sure you tag us in it.
Please do that.
We love you.
Love you.